Venice is one of the most unique cities in the world. It is a city built on water, yet it has survived for hundreds of years. In Venice, water is not just around the city. Water is the city. There are no cars, no wide roads, and no traffic sounds. Instead, there are canals, boats, and quiet streets. The sound you hear most is water moving gently against stone. Venice was not created to be beautiful. It was created to stay alive. More than 1,000 years ago, people came here to escape danger. They chose a place that looked impossible to live in: soft mud, shallow water, and no solid land. They placed wooden poles deep into the ground and built their homes on top of them. Slowly, step by step, a city began to rise from the water. What started as survival slowly turned into beauty. Today, Venice looks like a living painting. Old buildings stand close to the canals. Their reflections move with the water, making the city feel alive. The Grand Canal is the heart of Venice. It curves through the city, surrounded by beautiful palaces. These buildings are old, but they still stand with pride. Venice does not rush you. It asks you to slow down. When you walk through Venice, you notice small details: old doors, narrow bridges, quiet corners. Every place has a story. Art is part of everyday life here. Venice inspired painters, musicians, and writers for centuries. Creativity flows through the city like water through its canals. Festivals and masks added mystery to Venice's identity. During Carnival, the city feels timeless. Past and present meet on the same streets. Life in Venice depends on water. Everything arrives by boat: food, supplies, even emergency help. People here understand the water and respect it. But Venice is also fragile. The city is slowly sinking. The sea level is rising. Floods are becoming more common. Tourism brings money and life, but it also puts pressure on the city. Venice must protect itself while welcoming the world. Venice is not falling apart suddenly. It is changing slowly. This makes every moment here more valuable. Every old wall, every worn step shows the passage of time. Yet Venice continues to stand. It has survived wars, floods, and centuries of change, not because it is strong, but because it knows how to adapt. As the sun sets, Venice becomes quiet. Golden light reflects on the water. The city feels calm and peaceful. This is the true beauty of Venice. Venice teaches us that beauty does not need perfection. It needs history, patience, and soul. Venice does not try to impress everyone. It simply exists, and that is why people remember it. Venice is not just a city you visit. It is a city you experience. This is Venice, a city of water, history, and quiet beauty. This is the spectacular beauty of Venice.